Hey everybody, it's Brian Sparks, a greenhouse grower. We are at California Spring Trials at the beautiful Syngenta Flowers displays here. I'm joined by Amy Gonzalez, product manager for Vegetalis for Syngenta Flowers, talking about some really great patio vegetables here. Amy, can you tell us about a couple of different varieties that you have here?
Absolutely, Brian. My top pick this year is our Big Ben sweet red bell pepper. As you can see, Big Ben has extremely large fruit, very thick wall, juicy and delicious, both green and red. It's got tolerance to TMV and heat tolerance, as well as some nice big foliage to help prevent the plant from getting some sunburn. Next we have Akoya, which is a adorable purple fruit that turns red-orange once it's ripe. So Akoya, in the summer, it's going to show a little bit more purpling in the leaf. It's very attractive, really compact, great and flexible for baskets and pots. I think it's going to be a real hit at retail. And then we also here have Baby Jack eggplant. I love the compactness of this eggplant. In the summer, again, in the heat, it's going to have more silvery, dark green foliage. It's beautiful with those purple flowers that eggplant displays. And then the fruit are going to be harvested at a small stage at 2 to 3 inches. It's dark purple round fruit, which is perfect for skewers and fun in the summer barbecues.
Yeah, a lot of versatility with these. You can put them in a pot on the porch. I love the hanging tomatoes here. This is great. A lot of versatility. So a very nice display. Thank you, Amy.
And just a shout out to our last year's intro Cherry Blast. It did win the retail award at Cultivate last year. So it's a great hanging basket, red round fruit cherry tomato.
Good stuff.